Hi, you all, welcome back. Here we are in another Kai train animation, but with Gabon's railway transit controller. Shout out to Giants for making rail and train add-in. Link in my bio. I am just playing on the track. This is only Minecraft, so don't try this in real life. Don't say I didn't warn you all. I still have same Titan TV man skin. Oh wait, it is here. Get ready. It is going up nice. That was 5 cars of Kai train. The last one was like 14 to 16 cars. Goodbye, Kai train. See you all in the next video.